Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Agazie, Charlie Photos here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to match fonts, how to identify fonts in an image. Let's say you have an image with a very beautiful font that you like and you want to find the font. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So without further ado, let's get started. So welcome back guys. In the course of this video, I have a free gift for you guys. 1000 free fonts, free for commercial use. The download link in the description below, but it's password protected. So just watch the video. Somewhere in the video I'll draw the password for the file. Okay, so make sure you watch the video completely so you can find the password to the file. 1000 free fonts. If you like this kind of content, please just do subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it to your friends. Okay, so it's very simple. We have this poster here. It's a very old Beatles poster from Reddit. I'm going to drop it in the description below in case if you want the poster. So I'm going to give you 3 websites, just 3 websites. All of them have almost the same method of operation. The 3 of them are good, they're really good in case anyone you want to use. Maybe you are looking for a font and it's not in the first one, it's not in the second one, and it's in the third one. Okay, so just varies of options. So we'll have the first one, what the fonts from myfont.com. The second one, font Squirrel, and the third one, what font is, linked in the description below. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to demonstrate, so just to save time, with font Squirrel, but all of them have the same method of operation. Upload the image that you want to identify, crop out the parts that you need so you don't confuse the algorithm. Then if it asks you to input the letters you're seeing on the image, you can input it. But if it not asks you to input it, just the algorithm is smart enough to just do its thing and find out the fonts. Let's demonstrate with font Squirrel. Upload the image. Here's the image. So we upload. Here now is to crop out the part that we need. So there are lots of fonts on this image. If we just leave the whole image like that, the machine will just be confused or something. So once we've cropped it out, we click on maturate it. Okay, these are some really weird fonts here. We have lots of options here. There are really cool fonts. You can also use it to get fonts that you might not have, you just want to add to your collections. Most of all these fonts are paid. Like you see, it's giving you a link to FontSpring to buy them. So what I usually do if I just don't want to buy the fonts, let's say this Avalon bold that is $19 on FontSpring, go to Google and search the font to know if I can find it anywhere for free or if I can find a close match. It's always advisable to, if you can afford it, just buy those fonts. Let's search on Google Avalon bold, open a new tab, Avalon bold fonts. If you are lucky, you might find a good font. Font palette, let's open it to know whether you can actually get it for free. That size cannot be reached, but let's try the second one. This is good. I think you can actually get it for free. Upload this in. It's a very good trick. If you can't afford most of the fonts, please, if you can't afford this fonts, it's always best to try and download them. So here we have some download buttons. Download the entire family. Entire fonts family is just the variations of the fonts. That's what you call fonts family. Download. Upload this here. Our font is already downloaded. Look at it here. So you open it and install the fonts. If you don't know how to install fonts, you can ask in the comment section below. It's a very simple and easy process. Then also a pro tip, okay, Photoshop has a similar feature like this on identifying fonts. Let's check out the feature in Photoshop. So here we are in Photoshop. This is the design I was working on. It's just the preliminary stage, it's just the background and stuff. So also let me know if you want me to show you guys how I do my designs, show you step-by-step process of how I do my design in Photoshop. I usually use Photoshop for my designs. So tell me in the comment section below if you want me to show you anything. We're going to come up to that stage, design series, the step-by-step process of designing. Let's import back our Beatles image and try to identify the fonts. Go to new, open. Here's our Beatles image. We go to type and you see here match fonts. It's almost the same process with font Squirrel. We crop in cropping on the path that we require. And I think you should have an internet connection if you're in a Creative Cloud program. Adobe will do its thing and search online if the fonts are available. Adobe try it, Photoshop try, they can upload there to find out the fonts. So here are some ones that it's found. These ones are online. If you're in a Creative Cloud, the fonts will be activated in your system straight up. But then our normal trick, just take this text, go to your Google and search the text 300 Trojans fonts. You put download, enter. Luckily the font is already in the fonts, a very popular fonts website. So I think this is it. Download the free fonts in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.